Welcome to the Miami VA Healthy Teaching Kitchen. My name is Veronica Garcia and I'm a registered dietitian at the Miami VA. Today I'm here with Chef Lindo Rodriguez, who will show you how to prepare a recipe using ingredients that have anti-inflammatory properties and are packed with antioxidants and various nutrients.
Hello! Today I will show you how to make an acai bowl that can be eaten for breakfast or as a snack. Acai is a berry that comes from the palm trees native to South America. It is vastly found in the Amazon rainforest of Brazil. Although acai is the star ingredient in this recipe, you can also use any seasonal or year-round fruit as well.
So be sure to read our blog for more information on acai and the health benefits of this recipe. We hope you enjoy.